Benjamin Kampacho, Memoakwa by Dacia pay.
Thank you.
This is the Interior Ministry. Adiana will share any Musa ministry no be taking this action. I suspended the license of Kantanka Security Services Limited. Now, Abba saying so a young one answer it is Adiana will share any Musa BC.
No, it is now Anna.
Yes.
So the recommendation from the police investigation as quickly as it was. But the important thing is the ministry was bold enough to infect the rules as it is. So as a ministry who regulates, they said the ministry for once in a very long time have done what is appropriate, and that is the best way to go.
So beyond this, after the suspension, what happens? Going forward, also Interior Ministry in dealing with some of these things until see a bit through this point, also Ministry
Now, issue of abuse of the uniforms, a major issue. I can't want to say publicly for some time now. Issue of people holding guns that are normal background checks almost need legitimacy to hold those guns. Issues of guns that are not registered in the system. These are major issues. But then again, you suspend your license, the administrative aspect of the investigation. Other aspect in the prosecution. And immediately says, involved in this particular crime. You prosecute more as quickly as possible. And this will be serve as higher deterrence to running private security companies. And I say, work through in the system, offend with the use of a gun.
I am not sure at this point, maybe I blame games, but the fact of the matter is that a big cost. At the end, I was a ministry no a year because a big cost.
The prosecution is not the ministry, attorney general. The police the document number from attorney general. The attorney general said the police should go ahead and prosecute. I will be happy, and that will go as quickly as possible. But Seba regulating the private security organization Arena India, the BNI, the police, and the Ministry of the Interior. Oko police are almost a whole unit and department that deals with private security companies in this country. And I think with the three agencies coming together, my compliance levels should be high. And where there are infractions of the rules, and now said there are breaches, now taking care of as quickly as possible.
I see. And Mamefa Kantanka kofana de enumremu ne arrest and run a lawyer a confirm say police are detaining according to the police and dom be court na court and so no asumu ewo ho. At this stage e dey na obeka recommendation bi wo ho a wo de be ma proposal be suggestion bi a person table a
no, it was good that he turned himself in. Other than that, he would have been arrested anyway. The incident need take place as a crime scene, a honalty, and the key actor. And issue nearby, from the shooting to Nipana shooting, he would have been the ultimate beneficiary. Investigators will find out whether he actually gave an order for the shooting to take place, and it was good for him to turn himself in. What is important, said due process is key, due diligence is key, and following due procedure is key. And Mijide said that is what the police want to do.
I see. But this gun amnesty, the Interior Ministry, dealing with Crawford or Mukita, firearms and other things, who assessing the same? To me,
obey your press conference. Other now or did the whole truth now, but say they will do another one because evidence is a map of it at 12 months per se or and answer amnesty no for. If there are other ways or other strategies of retrieving the gun, better for all of us.
I see. Many paying.
Thank you.
For the annoy a hodier so and so you're him. And yashe because ye can and round so Kantanka Omunia Ketwa so at the Safo Kantanka Junior. Yes. Also Bekasa. Send radio course